Johann Caspar Horner. Zurich, the 12th of March 1774. Zurich, the 3rd of November 1834. Was a Swiss physicist, mathematician and astronomer. Life. At the beginning he wanted to be a priest, but later he went to Göttingen, where he learnt astronomy. Then he traveled throughout the world for 3 years on behalf of the Russians. After the journey he took 2 years in St. Petersburg with the cataloguing the items he had found. He discovered a method for approaching the roots of equation with unknown factor in a higher power. His findings were published under the titles Über die Kurvensfeitengrades and Die FUNF. Regelmäßigen Körper. He wrote some other works also on the field of astronomy. In 1805 Johann Caspar Horner visited Japan with the Prussian Georg Heinrich von Langsdorff as a scientist to the Krusenstern mission that also brought the Russian ambassador Nikolai Rezanov to Japan. Horner made a hot air balloon out of Japanese paper, washi, and made a demonstration in front of about 30 Japanese delegates. This followed the first flight of a hot air balloon by the brothers Montgolfier in France in 1783. Books and publications: Otto von Kotzebue, Ivan Fedorovich Krusenstern, Johann Caspar Horner, Johann Friedrich Eschscholtz, Adalbert von Chamisso. 1821. A voyage of discovery into the South Sea and Bering's Straits, for the purpose of exploring a northeast passage, undertaken in the years 1815 to 1818, at the expense of His Highness the Chancellor of the Empire, Count Romanzoff, in the ship Rurik, under the command of the lieutenant in the Russian Imperial Navy, Otto von Kotzebue. Johann Caspar Horner. 1822. Remarks on the specific gravity of seawater in different latitudes, and on the temperature of the ocean at different depths. Elisabeth Schuck-Grubler. Johann Caspar Horner. Felix Denarkid. 1831–1834. Der freundliche Rechenschieber. Der Briefwechsel zwischen Felix Denarkid aus Brunnen und Hofrat Johann Caspar Horner aus Zürich. Jürgen W. Koch. Johann Caspar Horner. Johann Georg Repsold. Der Briefwechsel zwischen Johann Caspar Horner und Johann Georg Repsold. Kommentierte Übertragung der Brieftext. Notes. Bocker Joseph. Zuzach. Apelles Nagy Lexikona. Arcanum. Folio Net KFD. Polak. Christian. 2005. Saber A. Pinceau. Pas de Autres Français au Japon. 1872–1960. French and Japanese. Chambre de commerce et d'industrie française du Japon. Ehshep Fujing Aho.